Hello guys, this is Vaish. The age eligibility of UPSC, I get 100 questions. It's very clearly written in UPSC notification, but still some people have the doubt. And one sad thing is that when you're filling the form, you come to know that you're not eligible for the exam. That is very sad also, and it's unacceptable also, and it's not expected from a serious UPSC aspirant. Okay, like today one student sent me the screenshot that I am filling my form, see optional everything they are filling, and telling your date of birth does not match with the valid criteria of the exam, please check the criteria and update. So all these months, okay, then I thought, okay, maybe for time pass or first time they're applying, and anyway they did not study anything. But I asked, like, that person is studying since last many months, that person is preparing for this exam, and now in February when notification came, that time that person is filling the form and realizing that that person is not eligible. Okay, age 35, I'm telling OBC. So even like maybe you are age 35, your friend is also age 35, maybe you are eligible and maybe your friend is not eligible. That can happen because it is not the year of birth which UPSC considers, it is the month of birth. That is why date is asked. Okay, it's not asking year of birth, your month makes the difference, which month you are born. Based on that, certain people gets one extra attempt. Okay, that is how the UPSC system is. It's not any injustice to anybody, that is how the cycle runs. Okay, UPSC cycle is designed in such a way that one person, just because you are born after August, you may get an extra attempt even though your age may be same. Okay, meaning the running months, based on the months it is. So that I will tell you, but please I hope there are no more people who are like wasted many months, okay, for preparation. So one student messaged like 31 years, 31 1 1988, that is January, date of birth, OBC, non-creamy, and woman candidate. One thing is, woman has nothing to do with the age relaxation. Woman only gets the fees relaxation, okay, but the age wise there is no gender disparity, only caste, like general has 32 age, and OBC has 35, and SC/ST will be having, I think, 37. Okay, because it's plus 3 extra items and this is plus 5 extra items, and number of items is 6, 9, and unlimited. Okay, and same like the EWS category has a different thing. EWS will have 6 attempt only, but if it's EWS and physically disabled, you may get, I think, 9 attempt. That you can check the UPSC notification, it's clearly written. But generally EWS has no this thing, okay, this thing, attempt relaxation. So that also you can see they have cutoff relaxation. EWS new category, they have cutoff relaxation, they have very small cutoff. If the general category has 95 marks to get out of 200, the EWS last time had only 77 or something. Okay, it was very, very low cutoff. But OBC, they are expected to have around 92 marks. So OBC, actually you people are struggling to get the non-creamy layer certificate and all these things. I will tell you, there is no big advantage for you. Okay, you get that extra attempt, I understand. The people who are 32 and 35, that extra 3 years you get, but the marks wise, right, cutoff wise, you don't have very great advantage. But if you say EWS or maybe SC/ST and all, it will be like around this range. Okay, so you have that 10-15 marks benefit when you are SC/ST or this thing, SC/ST or EWS in cutoff category. But age category, OBC has this 3 years advantage, which EWS won't get, I think. So like that, certain basics, right, these basics are not taught to you in coaching classes. I see many institutes that or students who are going to institutes, they are studying since last 6 months, 8 months and all. First day you go, they will tell you, okay, Spectrum, the usual bakwas which we tell, Spectrum, Lakshmikant, NCRT, Bipin Chandra. This is like you Google it, you will get this list of books. For that you don't have to pay lakhs of rupees and go to coaching class. Okay, so that is a different thing. Now again, this person, I don't know from where they got this particular sentence. A candidate must have attained the age of 21 or 32 as of 1st August 2023, and so because of this, then 35 also we'll consider, and as of 35, this thing is the relaxation which you count. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you the screenshots also of the chat and the this thing. Okay, so if you see, for this thing, I have told you are not eligible. So that person asking deadline is 23, right? Then how come I am not at 35? So you are calculating 35 just based on years. You are not seeing the month problem here. Okay, you are born in January, and I explained that also, because UPSC doesn't stop with this line. Even if this line is there, they're telling you exactly which month or which year or earlier than which year you should not have been born. Okay, so that's why I told, read the notification properly. There is no base month concept at all. Okay, it is the reverse order. So that I'll show you how. So if you see, let me just take that screenshot. Okay, this is the line in notification, latest notification. I'm telling 23 notification. Okay, UPSC. So a candidate must have attained 21. This thing up to this you are reading. After that, must not have been born earlier than 2nd August 1991. Okay, you should not be born before 1991. Now you will ask, okay, I am OBC, so something should be there, right? So that is what is written here. Up to 3 years in case of candidate belonging to OBC. Okay, so up to 3 years means, instead of reading this sentence, right? This sentence, now how you will read? Must not have been born earlier than 2nd August 1980. 8. Okay, 3-year relaxation, meaning you minus 1 year. 1 year you minus 90. 1 more year you minus 89. 1 more year you minus 88. So you can read this sentence as a candidate must have been born not earlier than 2nd August 1988. But in my case, the student who I've told is born on 31/1, that is January 1988. But as per the sentence, you should not have been born before August 1988, even after relaxation. So if you are August 2nd, okay. So if you are born on August 3, right? Okay, meaning the one person is born January, one person is born August 3 or September or October or November or December 1988, the same year. Still, this person gets the chance. He can write 2023, this person born in any date after August 3, 1988, he can give the attempt in 2023. Okay, but by 24, he won't be able to give. That again, when you take the cycle, you will understand. So please understand that this person born before August is not eligible, and that's what I told. So this person, 3-year relaxation means 1991. So 88, this one, you are not eligible. Okay, so then that person, I understood. Then I told, hope you didn't waste many months preparing. Then waste, sir, I studied this thing, and some more chat is there that I'm not showing. So we'll try for state level now. So this, please don't be in a situation, okay, that in the month of February, while filling the form, you are even knowing that you are eligible for the exam or not. This is very, very wrong. Okay, that's why we keep telling you, please do the foundation video. I'm giving it for free. 25 foundation videos are there. When you come to my WhatsApp and ask, okay, 7200-681-675, when you come and ask you, I'll give you 25 free foundation, and you, what happens is, first is like I tell, first video, eligibility of UPSC and how to apply this basic things is in first video. Then it will be something like book list. Then there will be like syllabus or subjects. Like then there is like newspaper reading importance, current affairs. Like this, different videos are there in a proper fashion. I've designed it. What happens is people will be like, eligibility anyway, I know, my coaching class told me this, I anyway know, this I anyway know. Let me directly take the newspaper reading. Let me just directly take the economic survey reading. And you skip all these things, and after 1 week or something, you will tell, okay, sir, I've completed the 25 videos. You want to help me everything. Okay, but still you don't know the basics. Like February, every year notification comes. Your coaching class only told you that May 28 prelims is there. Sit and by heart the Lakshmikant spectrum and NCRT. Please don't do this. Okay, please see to it that you don't study like this in a blind fashion without even knowing the basics of whether you are even eligible for that exam. Okay, this is one of the thing I'm telling. There's many things are there. Okay, many people don't know like how many months of current affair to study for UPSC. Many people don't know like OBC certificate. This is another thing which we are getting hundreds of queries. Like you waited, OBC certificate for the last 1 year was valid. Okay, last financial year, April 2022 to February, now this when you are applying the form, right, February 21, 2003, in this 12 months, any time you could have applied, but you did not do it. You waited for the February notification to come, and they gave you only a 20-day window to fill the form. In that 20-day, you run around the taluk office, you come back, and then again ask teacher like, sir, is it valid? The format is correct. You could have done this much before. If you knew it, if you read the foundation, if you knew the basic, that UPSC have never changed it. UPSC did not change anything in the last 7 to 10 years. Okay, everything is same. The same OBC they were asking, the same community certificate number, the same Aadhaar card and photo signature they are asking to upload. But you waited till February, and this 20 days you ran around. How much days you wasted in your revision time or your studying time? You wasted everything. So please don't be that student. This is what we are trying to change. This VYSH IAS whole initiative was started to make students go away or deviate from the blind coaching model where they just ask you to by heart books or previous questions or maybe test series which they gave you. Okay, that is not UPSC. UPSC, you have to be alert. You cannot afford to waste lot of things. Okay, lot of time. And then this eligibility thing, long back again, see 1 year back I had already made. Born in 1986, are you eligible for 21? So if you were at VYSH IAS, this thing, WhatsApp, you would have got these links, you would have seen. See, more than 7,000 people have seen that time. So at least they would have understood like, okay, this is how they calculate. This is the basics. Okay, same thing will apply to this people also. Okay, CST means you have to do 87 and 86. 5 years backward it will be. Okay, so it will be instead of 88, you can read 86. Okay, person born in 86. Not earlier than 1986, they will be eligible. So this simple calculation they have given, but you don't read it. You just believe the whoever is mentoring you. So please don't do like that. Always read UPSC notification, UPSC website, UPSC documents. So we explain everything, but still again for OBC and all, there is another helpline also. Sometimes they may not pick up. You have to keep trying. It's a toll-free number. Obviously full India will be calling. So keep trying. Okay, just like one call and then sir, they're not picking up, what to do. Then there is this another number also, general UPSC numbers also. So keep trying, send them in a mail, or if you are in Delhi itself, go visit their that office. You can do multiple things. So please don't believe any random YouTuber, any random this thing, okay, including VYSHIANS. I'm telling, if you feel like we are not telling things with conviction, we are not showing you proper data, we are simply telling whatever we like and it's blabbering simply on the internet, don't follow that channel, okay, because I see many channels are going viral by doing the same thing, last 50-day revision, last 100-day revision, then some MCQ, something. This is not the way to prepare UPSC, okay. Your core should be strong. You should be ready for UPSC. That is, I tell you always, you should study about UPSC before studying for UPSC. Okay, this basic thing many people don't know. So please do that. That's why this OTR is a new concept. We made a video, live demo, including I paid the fees also for no reason. I am not even giving the exam. I paid the fees also in live demo of all the stages. Still some people without watching that in the comment section, sir, how to do, sir, what to do, sir, fee payment not coming. Many things are there. Okay, sir, what is photo, what is signature? If you watch the video, you will get the answer. Okay, or if you read the notification, you will get the answer. Then this OBC non-creamy layer also, all the doubts I asked, like whether this year I can apply general and next year again I can apply this thing, right, the OBC. Can that be changed? This kind of things are doubts I know people will get. That's why we answered it. Okay, and the test series also there. It's not like what I see is other coaching classes are focusing on only this, selling their course, selling the thing, making more people connect to their platform. That is not what you have to do. This is what the students need, and that is what we are trying to cater to. So please see to it that you come and WhatsApp me, get this foundation which is there in English and Hindi medium. So English is better because it has more videos. Okay, because we have been doing it over the years. English, because on students' demand, we made a small set with the 10 to 14 videos, but it will be also covering most of the things. If you are not at all understanding English, then you can go for this playlist. Okay, so please take this basic seriously. The formats I showed you, and this format from state to state, it may vary. Okay, only thing is, do you have this thing written, post under the government of India? For that appointment only you are getting the OBC non-creamy layer. Then this particular, your name and district, and this particular line which you see, that this person does not belong to the creamy layer. These lines should be there. Their government seal should be there, or Tahsildar's name or signature, that should be there. This common things, right, this should be there. And this certificate will have some here, some serial number or some community number will be there. That is the number they are asking. One number and then one date will be here. Somewhere they are asking for a date, right? Belong to this particular caste on this day. So that date, that's community number. And this is the only thing you need to apply for OBC and CL. Okay. So very, very clearly we are telling you things. Please listen to it. Please follow what is being told. Okay. And it's based on the last 3 years of income. Okay. See here. 1/4/2022 to 21. In this timeline, any time you could have applied, but you waited, did all the coaching people's drama all this time, and in February you are realizing, sir, I don't have an OBC and CL, what to do now? You could have went and applied if that coaching class told you that this is how it is. Now next year students, I'm telling you, 2024 students, please apply OBC and CL when this financial year ends. That time itself get the new one. Okay, when April month's getting over, right, May, June, July, that time itself you can apply, you can take the OBC. It will be valid for your exam on 24. Okay, because the same thing will repeat. The next year the same thing they'll copy paste. Instead of 2022 they will type here 3 and here it will be 4. Okay, only that thing they will update. Every year they are doing copy paste notification only. Only that OTR was a new concept this year, which is a simple like profile making thing. Remaining everything is same. Okay, and again the other one, right, some people have that doubt, like next year to 29, okay, sorry, to 24, that time what will be written here in this age limit thing? Instead of this 1991, they will write 1992, not born earlier than 1992. So that time you have to, again, if OBC means calculate backwards, 91, 90, 89, meaning August 2nd, 1989. You cannot be born earlier than this. Okay, so this the only thing they will change. Okay, and this one also, that is what the lower limit, but lower limit don't have any relaxation. You have to be anyway age 21. Okay, but the upper limit is what they give you, relaxations. So this basic thing, right, they will tell you, they are telling every time, and this will copy paste in the next year February 24 notification also. So please be ready for this, and that time don't run behind this taluk office and all these things, and don't waste your time. Be a serious aspirant who knows basics, and please prepare. Okay, only for your good I am telling you. And choice, it's your choice. Okay, like some people will tell, I don't want any relaxation, I'm okay with the 32 age and 6 attempt and all. Even if you're OBC, okay, even if you're SC, you can do that also. Okay, but if you have the OBC certificate, and then why you should lie? Okay, so simply put, okay, OBC, I am not claiming age relaxation, or OBC, I am yes claiming age relaxation, then put that community related details. It is your choice. And this year if you do like that, OBC and CL, and next year you don't want to, that time also you can do. Okay, maybe you did not get the certificate on time, and then you can't apply for that, but still you have to give the exam, right? Then okay, I am not not applying for this thing OBC, but not claiming age relaxation, so don't need to upload any details. Okay, but you are still OBC only. So that way also you can do. Nothing is permanent. Each exam is different. If you have the certificate, you do. If you don't have the certificate, you don't do. Okay, so this is the topic. And again, thank you for all the messages which we get on WhatsApp. We get a lot of, like, because it's not only UPSC, right? Many history revision videos and all we are doing. So that is actually helping people. Like, I think last week there was a BPSC exam few days back. So some people found it helpful that the history things which we gave, the small cut clips of our explanation videos, from that questions are coming directly in the Bihar PSC and the Telangana PSC, and many people messaged us. So that is very good to know. So keep sending your whatever help you got, and we'll try to cater to your needs. So please take all this seriously. I'll come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.